Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Friday, September 26. The House of Representatives has approved the Customs Amendment Act, paving the way for the implementation of a system to speed up the movement of goods through the ports. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips, who piloted the bill, outlined its purpose.
Facilitate the introduction of an electronic system for the submission of advanced cargo and passenger manifest information to accommodate the implementation and use of an integrated customs management system at the Jamaica Customs Agency, and to provide for matters connected to the administration and operation of the system.
The amendments to the Customs Act coincide with the implementation of an updated version of the automated system for customs data. The system costs $4 million and will speed up operations at the ports by automating transactions. It will be implemented over the next 2 years, starting with a pilot in 2015. Plans to improve the quality of scientific research in Jamaica were further advanced with a partnership between the University of the West Indies, UWI-MONA, and the Biotech R&D Institute. Both entities signed a Memorandum of Understanding, which will help to generate income, train students in science and technology, and reduce government funding to the UWI. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites said the initiative would also allow Jamaica to be more globally competitive in science and research.
It's a splendid example of the type of partnership between academia and industry that is needed to drive innovation and wealth creation. The results of partnership in research and development in science also opens the possibility of export earnings.
The Health Ministry continues to look at sustainable health financing mechanisms that do not include user fees. Portfolio Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson said possible options include health insurance, the Tourism Enhancement Fund, and other financing avenues.
The conversation, local and global now, is about universal health coverage, not user fees versus no user fees. In fact, the Director General of the World Health Organization is on record to say user fees is a punishment to the poor.
He added that his ministry was moving towards universal health care while promoting how to prevent and treat various illnesses. Labour and Social Security Minister Derek Kelly has lauded senior citizens for their invaluable contribution to nation building.
Prosperity, progress and gains we are enjoying today have been made possible through the tremendous efforts and sacrifice of our seniors and elders in the communities across the island of Jamaica.
Minister Kelly was speaking at the launch of Senior Citizens Week, which will run from September 28 to October 4 under the theme Active Aging Through a Healthy Lifestyle. He said the theme provided an opportunity for seniors to further contribute to society.
We want more seniors to volunteer in our schools and for our community activities, and to pass on life lessons about sacrifice, endurance, self-reliance and independence.
And finally, as government continues to push the climate change message, Jamaicans in the 12 to 25 age group are invited to submit entries for the Climate Change Logo Competition. The competition, which is organized by the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, will run until November 14. Portfolio Minister Robert Pickersgill says the competition seeks to identify creative works that will help to market the climate change division within his ministry.
I encourage you to help our country to not only respond but to survive and thrive against the impacts of climate change.
For more information on the Climate Change Logo Competition, contact the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change at 926-1590 or visit their website mwlecc.gov.jm. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.